Hello there folks, and today I'm going to be giving you a plastic Beyblade review of, let's see, oh yeah, it's in the video title. It's going to be a Dranzer V Volcano review. And I do have two of them, one Takara and one by Sonokon. And you can get a Sonokon version of Dranzer V on eBay for a good low price. So yeah, go check it out. Check it out on eBay, Dranzer V. So let me get that into focus. Here's Dranzer V, Sonokon version. And yep, there's a change tip on this. So yeah, I'll get into further detail on that. Sharp, flat. There you go. So let's get into a review of the much more Takara version. Okay, let me put my same down here so it's more quiet so I can sit down. So I can feel much more comfortable here. Yeah. Alright, let's get to the Dranzer V Volcano. Here's a quick look. So, yeah. Bottom view, bottom side view. Okay, and there we go. There we go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there it is, Dranzer V Volcano. Appeared in the V4 series, of course. Okay, you turn the attack ring clockwise. There you go. Then push it back up. Here's a 10 balance weight disc. There. Okay. Then push this to this attachment. Okay. Oh boy, this one's a bit hard. Smoothly get that out. There we go. Okay, and here's a Magna Core, and there you can see the tip. So let me put that down. Here's the blade base. Here's the MG Magna Core, or metal weight as they stood it in Takara. Right spin, obviously. This Magna Core has a magnet inside. Okay, Takara, 2002 China, letter A. AT, Beyblade, BB2, Beyblade Season 2, TX. And here, the stickers say it's Dranzer V. V is standing for Volcano. Here's the attack ring. Phoenix heads. There's the evolution. There's like an upgrade version from Dranzer F, Dranzer Flame. And here's another sticker on it. It has an alternate sticker on the bottom. I bought this from a previous seller, so the seller did tend to use this, so he put another sticker in there. It's a bit like a holographic, which is nice. And it's another Dranzer basically. Letter A. And there you can see the official number encoding right there. See that? That's how you know this bar is authentic. There's the Dranzer V bit piece. It's basically similar to the Dranzer MS bit piece. Okay, now to show you how to properly remove the bit chip without any trouble, as it shows in previous instruction manuals and previous reviews that I've done. So you put your right index finger here. So okay, let me just get that. There we go. Right here, and then okay, I think I have a badge. Okay, there we go. Yeah, basically put your index finger here and then push it. There you go. That's how you safely remove the bit chip. Okay, let me get further into the tip. But let me just. Here's the tip. has a flat and sharp. However, this becomes now like a semi-flat. Okay, let's go ahead and assemble it back. Go. There we go. Attach the weight disc. Attach the attack ring. Turn it counterclockwise. Now attach the tip wherever you want. So I'll be choosing flat. There. And yes, for those that are wondering, yes, I'll get into that later. Attach the bit chip, bit piece. There you go. Dranzer V. And yes, I do a watch 0G. And yes, on Samurai Fright. So this tip, for those that are like wondering, yeah, it does remind you of the Samurai Fright, doesn't it? So this angular tip helps it to make it balance, especially with the weight on it. So it helps it balance it through. And once it gets like into a stadium side hit, you'll not be like get like a stadium out that very quickly, because thanks to this. And overall, it helps makes a balance. It also gives out a good spin for those low attack type Beyblades, like Master Dragoon. So yeah, let's do a spin test, shall we? Of course, Dranzer V is owned by Kaya, of course. So yeah, let's do like a spin. And yes, I will be doing some spin tests with the BB10 once I obtain one. Just because it would be nice to own like a BB10. Okay, there we go. Okay, now to test the Beyblade like this, of course you need a right spin launcher like this, plastic launcher, with a rubber cord obviously. Okay, you attach like this, and then turn it counterclockwise to be sure it stays in there. There you can see. Okay, I have it in flat, so let me turn on my light here so you can get a much better view. There we go. Get that into focus. There we go. Okay, now let's put in semi-flat. Oh, yep. Okay. This used to be a sharp, but now since it got used up too much, it has now become like a semi-flat. All right, let me do like some sort of bow here. So yeah, let me do like something. Give me a moment. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay, I got Master Seal all assembled now. Alright, let's see if Dranzer V can handle this Master Seal fine. And as I said before, you can get Dranzer V Sonic brand like this for a good low price on eBay. Alright, so yep. So Dranzer V handled Master Seal fine. So yeah, let me turn on my light here now. Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Folks, kids of all ages. Dranzer V review. Very good Beyblades on. And plus it's very well balanced as well. Balance type. And again, you can get a Sonic brand Beyblade Dranzer V for a good low price, like $10 on eBay. With free shipping. Yes, I said it. There you have it. So yeah, there you have it. Yeah, that's pretty much does it, ladies and gentlemen. Folks, I'll give this Beyblade rating of a good, let's see, a good 9 out of 10. Good 9 out of 10. So yeah, thanks for watching.